Good morning, dear students. This is your English period. Open your new learning to communicate. Lesson 4, Tikki Tikki Tavi, page number 57. Let's use grammar, joining sentences using but. In our previous class, we learnt about the use of and. Read these sentences. First, I want an ice cream. I have a cup. There are two sentences. First, I want an ice cream. Second, I have a cup. We will join these two sentences by using but. I want an ice cream, but I have a cup. We will remove full stop and write but between both the sentences. We use but in a sentence to express a problem or a different idea. Example, Raju went to the station. Full stop. The train had left. Raju went to the station, but the train had left. Different idea. Complete these sentences using but. First, we thought we would win the game, but we lost. Second, it was raining heavily, but we had umbrellas. Third, we went to visit our aunt, but she wasn't home. You are saying both are the different ideas. Fourth, you can go the Mela, but it is far. Fifth, Delhi is a great city, but it is very polluted. Sixth, we like going to the park, but it is late now. Let's enrich our word store. What do they love? First, TREES, trees, say the birds. Second, rain, say the trees. Third, paper, say the books. And wood says the cricket bat. All are related to each other. Dear students, complete page number 57 in your book. Unscribble the letters and match the words you get with their descriptions. First, there are jumbled letters. First, we will arrange the letters and make a meaningful word. Then we will join with its description. WOOD, wood. OXYGEN, oxygen. CLOUDS, clouds. SAP, sap. Wood. Wood is related to our chairs and tables are made of this. Oxygen, we cannot live without this gas. Oxygen is very necessary for our life. Clouds, these float in the sky. Sap, this is the juice of a tree. Now question C, pick the odd word out. Odd means सबसे different है, उसे हमें बताना है. There are 4 words: tree, branches, mud, roots. Mud is different. These 3 are related to a tree parts and tree. Lovely, tall, beautiful, pretty. Lovely, beautiful, pretty. सारी गुड क्वालिटीज़ है, सुंदरता के लिए है. एंड टॉल इज़ फॉर हाइट. सो इट इज़ डिफरेंट. बैट्स, बर्ड्स, टेबल्स, चेयर्स. These 3 things are made by wood. So they are similar, and birds is odd. Cool, hot, air, humid. These 3 are weather conditions, and air is different. So we will take odd words. Let's write a story using the given clues. हम इन clues को देखते हुए एक story लिखनी है. First we will read the words: Blackie, a dog, loved, bones, one day, got a bone, rain, riverbank, wanted to chew, looked in the water, saw another dog, wanted bone, barked, opened mouth, bone fell, crow laughed and said, Mr. Blackie on reflection. These are the clues and we have to frame a story. आपको पता चला है कौन सी स्टोरी है? Yes, greedy dog. See this picture? This is the story of a greedy dog. We will write in our given space. There was a dog called Blackie. He loved bonds. One day he got a bond and ran to the river bank. He wanted to chew it there. He looked in the water and saw another dog with a bone. He wanted the other dog's bone too, so he barked. As soon as he opened his mouth, his bone fell into the water. There was a crow sitting in a tree and watching this, he laughed and said, Mr. Blackie, you are barking at your own reflection. Reflection means परछाई. आप इस स्टोरी को सभी जानते हैं. So dear students, write this story in your book on page number 59 and read again and again.